Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video on this machine. I wasn't, if I didn't run into a problem, I wouldn't have, but I did. So yesterday, I hooked everything up, all the wiring, the fuel line I put to the fuel pump, it works. There's a little bit of smoke coming off of it right now because yesterday, with that other muffler pipe that I used, it wasn't sealing at the port, and the engine was, if the engine does not have a muffler on it, or at least a pipe, and it doesn't, if you're just running it with the no exhaust and the with the port, having it come out the port, the engine will not run correctly. And on this one, basically, you've got these ends, right? The one on that one was wider, right? So when I went to put this kind on, I altered it so it would, slide through the middle of the bolts and put it up there. Well, air was exhaust was escaping up top, and it was making the engine run real rough. Like at full throttle, it sounded like a farm tractor. It was like boom, 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 boom. At low idle, it was working okay. It took me a little while to figure it out, and also a couple other symptoms I noticed was when the air filter was off, I was getting blow by. But it wasn't, blow by because of bad rings. It was just because, air, the whole thing was being thrown off that way. I was getting blow by up out of the air filter, out of where the breather goes into the air filter box. And, it took me a little while to figure it out. I was thinking, it's not getting, it was a bad gas, it's not getting enough gas. Is it blow by? But I could hear when it was running, I could hear that sound, that sucking sound, right? And then finally, I figured it out, because at first I thought it was down here, and I tried to put that muffler goop on to seal it. It's okay over here. I just got to clean that crap off. It's no big deal. But no, it was up here. So what I had to do was I had to cut that from, where is it? Well, anyway, the original pipe, this isn't it, but the original pipe, I had to cut that flange right off flat. And then I was able to take the gasket, and I kept a little bit of a lip of it, and I took the gasket and I put it up into the port. Then I took this piece with the gasket and bolted it, and now it runs perfect. Yeah. So that was something, because otherwise I don't have this muffler, and I was looking around. You can't even find one. For the mufflers on the Kohler Commands or on Craftsman's, nowhere to be had. Not on eBay. I didn't really see any on Marketplace. Like, they're really hard to find. So let's hear it run now. Because I was ready to start, I wasn't going to give up on this. I went through all that trouble to put this engine on. I was down to that one last problem. I wasn't going to give up. So if I had to, I was going to go find a muffler somewhere and take care of it. But then I came out here and I was thinking about, maybe I can make some kind of flange, a plate, so it doesn't leak. And that's what I just did. And it fixed it. So engine, putting the rest of it back together. Washing it, deck's ready to go back on, swap the seat, do what I gotta do, and this thing's out of here. But that sucked. But I mean, it was at the tail end of the day, because this took time. I had to undo this harness to get this to reach over here. The fuel line, I ended up testing it with the fuel pump, because that was another thing. I thought, well, maybe because this was a fuel pump engine, it had to have the fuel pump hooked up, because if you just block that off, maybe that was creating a problem. So I hooked that back up. The fuel pump works, so it's off the fuel pump. Everything's hooked up perfectly now, properly. Nothing's rigged. It's all good. So I'm gonna button it up now, and then I'll clean this crap off of here, and then we're good to go now. But if you ever get that problem, that's what it is. It has to have the muffler. It has to at least have a pipe. It can't run right from the port with nothing on it. It will not run correctly. Because I've seen it before, and that's why when I heard that sucking noise, I was like, maybe is that what's throwing it off? And that's what was throwing it off. So, got lucky. It's a good machine now. It's a good engine. This is that Temu discounted garbage. Kohler's in bankrupt, basically in bankruptcy now anyway. Briggs had already gone. All of them are held by private equity groups. Okay, none of them. Or don't even get me started with that. But yeah, I'm fine. I'm satisfied. I gotta run, take care of something. I'll come back, finish this off, and send it. 1100. Maybe shoot a little bit higher. At 1250 for the other one. This one's slightly older. You know, it's got a more rounded hood versus that one that was a little more sleek. But I don't know. No less than 11. You see a lot of people sell them too cheap, but that's marketplace for you. You know, you get people, they just don't know any better. If these things are running for $2,000 or more in the store, right? We'll say at the tax, let's just say the cheapest one's $19.99, right? Plus tax. Where are you? You got to be at what? 22 almost, and then, you know, so at 11, that's half the cost for a machine in perfect condition with actually a better engine that will last longer, because that engine's already what was that? Came off of I think this is like a 1999, because it came off a John Deere. I forget the designation number. I don't know. It was like the real early. It was around 99. That's all I know. This engine's from around 1999, and it runs perfect. Okay, so I just figured I'd share that, because if you ever have that issue, that's what it is. You got to take care of that. So, and with these, if you don't have that correct muffler, they're not easy to find. Because I see people selling these engines without the muffler. If you don't have the muffler, what are you going to do? Okay, unless you can weld, right? So unless, with the original pipe, unless I was able to cut it and then weld the other piece on and get it to line up in there perfect, or have someone do that, you've got to find the muffler. And I don't weld yet. I am going to pick up, basic welder at Harbor Freight like Henry, and I'll start welding so I can do the basic stuff, when things break, either on the deck or with the exhaust. I don't have to go searching for a new deck or a part or a muffler. I'll just do it myself. It's like the one thing left. I still have to, one skill I have to master, and then after that, you can't stop me with any of this stuff at all, once you can do that. So, all right, I gotta pack this up and I gotta head out. I just figured I'd share that, because that one, it had me. It was the end of the day. I took all that time to get it together, so I was kind of rushing to make sure it ran, and it was a headache. But I'm just glad that I took time, solved it, and that's it. Good running engine. You gotta put the drive thing and deck pulley back up on there, belt, all that, deck under there. That's it. I'm gonna mow the lawn with this one before I give it a complete wash. All right, later.